Okay, good day mga ka-venture. Today, I will share to you kung paano gumawa ng playlist gamit ang inyong watch later. So, at kung paano ang mga advantages ang makukuha natin dito. So, first, click here and then go to home or go to your watch later. So, makikita natin dito na may existing akong watch later. So, what we will do, we have to remove that by clicking these three dots here sa right side ng video. So remove from watch later, remove from watch later, click and remove from watch later. Now you can see that nothing is here sa ating watch later. Also, if you have to check also, go to your history and then kung mayroong videos man dito, you can clear watch history here also para maalis yung mga existing na videos dito. Now we can go to search for the type, let's say type 5 video playlist this week. Okay, now we can see here that there are several videos here. For example, I will choose these 40 videos here. You can, if you want to save multiple videos, that is fine also. Maganda nga na magamit natin ito using this method. So let's say we'll just choose these 40 videos here. So click lang natin itong view playlist. Then makita natin lahat dito yung list ng 40 videos which we can see here. And then simply we can click play all. And then
say no to fake.
Click pause. So makita natin na i-pause na natin. So andito lahat yung ating listahan. So meron dito yung loop playlist and then shuffle playlist ang makikita natin dito on the right side. So what we will do, i-drag natin itong ating browser pababa. And then we can just simply add any available video here. For example, itong weak media video na ito is not part of this playlist here. So we can simply just click these three buttons here, itong three buttons, and then add add to queue. So makita natin na instead of 40, naging 41 na siya, and then napalitan ito ng save. So we can just click save and then click watch later. So na-save na po siya sa ating watch later na na-include itong video na ito. Tandaan niyo itong weak media video, Harry Styles. Okay, so we'll go now to our watch later using these three lines here. Again, 3 lines and then watch later. Now you can see your watch later videos and then close lang natin tong player. Simply close the player there. So ito na po, instead na 40, 41 siya dahil nandito sa dulo. We just browse, drag this down para ma-remove natin tong 1 hour na naidagdag natin kanina. 1 hour video. So go and click these 3 buttons here. And then remove from watch later. So ito na po yung original na 40 videos natin sa ating watch later. So advantage po nito is magamit natin siya kung maramihan yung ating isa-save. Instead na saving like for example, nandito tayo sa home. Okay? For example, gusto kong i-add itong video na ito. Save to watch later. So instead na saving siya isa-isa, save isa-isa, and then makikita natin pag sinave na natin pag kinuha natin yung playlist, makikita natin agad sa watch later yung ating mga videos. And then you can just simply play all. Okay, that's it. So maraming salamat for listening and sa aking na-share today. I hope na maging makatulong ito sa inyong lahat. So don't forget to subscribe kung hindi pa kayo subscribe dito sa aking channel, Dubai Venture TV. You can see here in aking icon. Just comment and like. So kung may comment po kayo, just type on the comment section at may tanong kayo so I can answer you kung ano man po yun. Salamat po muli and magandang buhay sa ating lahat. God bless you all.